How you doing, my friends? This is Mr. RX-8. I was planning today to install a 6-point front brace, but I won't be able to do it today. This is going to be a little bit of a project because the fenders, they gotta be removed in order for me to install this plate that will go inside here connecting to the brace, and that's gonna be a little bit of a project, so I don't have time for it today, so it will need to be scheduled, but it's coming along. It's a nice bar. And the car will be, I think it will be running before Christmas, hopefully. The only thing it needs is the battery cables. They need to be removed. They're going to be installed in the, I'm going to install the battery in the back on the trunk, and I got OMP what's it called? Oh, I got the Sean adapter pump, as you can see right there. Yeah, right there. And I couldn't find the bottle, so meanwhile I'm gonna install this one here going down. Here is the, got here the, here it is, here's the hose for it. So I shout out to Oye Imports. They sold me this engine. It's repaired, you know, it's three-ported. I installed Mishimoto fans, and also I got what is it? Yeah, racing radiator also. Let's see if we can open the trunk. Oops, wrong keys. That's my Subaru 79, runs strong. Got a brand new engine also, even though it's 79. The engine is from a machine shop. You know, billet, battery holder. Here's the other bar, the other brace bar. Yeah, the car is coming along. The only thing, like I say, needs the battery cables to be run, and oil, and he'll be ready to run. But there it is, my friends. I put spacers on it. It's flush with the body. But it'll be running soon, my friends. Thank you. Have a good day.